After more than a month of dedicated work, the Ibis Hotel Kitchen project in Nigeria, undertaken by our company, has been successfully completed and delivered. The kitchen spans 3 floors and encompasses key modules such as kitchen operation areas, storage areas, food preparation zones, baking areas, and dishwashing rooms. Despite challenges including remote construction, cultural differences, and high technical standards, our installation team leveraged extensive experience, skilled craftsmanship, and close collaboration to ensure every phase, from planning to implementation, was executed with precision and consistent quality. At the conclusion of the project, we provided systematic training to the hotel staff on equipment operation procedures and daily maintenance protocols. Additionally, we accompanied the client in conducting a thorough inspection and formal acceptance of all areas. We remain committed to delivering professional and reliable commercial kitchen solutions, bringing delicious flavors and warmth to the world.